Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to prepare a herbal oil for fast growing of hairs. And in my channel you will get to know all these things like unboxings, die craft, lifestyle, travel and even technology related. Take a of your wish. I taken 200 ml of parachute oil. To that I will add hibiscus. First one is hibiscus. It helps to hair growth and reduces hair fall and helps you to regrowth. And second one I'll add aloe vera. It contains something called protcolytic enzymes which repairs dead cells on the scalp. And third thing is I had curry leaves which is rich in beta carotene proteins. And fourth one is onions which encourage the growth of thick and healthy hair. You can even add methe which keeps your body cool. Boil this content for low flame nearly for 20 minutes such that all the contents should be turned to brown color. As you can see, it's still boiling and all these leaves should be turned to brown color. You can see guys, the hibiscus flower is turned somewhat brown, and the curry leaves and onion should also turn to black color such that oil should soak all the ingredients nicely. Keep on boiling guys. You can see the onions turn somewhat brownish color. I think it is ready now. Off the gas. Yeah, it's looking so colorful. Now the next step is filtering. Take any kind of cotton cloth and filter accordingly. Filter as shown in the above. You can see how this oil turned its color. Yeah, and last step is store in any kind of airtight container. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.